Today, Discover Arizona presents 8 ways to keep cool during the Arizona summer. Number 8. Public pools. There are many public pools you can find online in your area that are free or at a minimal cost. Number 7. Rivers and lakes. The water is cool and views are amazing. Take a dive in the cold water to cool off and relax. Number 6. Northern Arizona. At higher altitudes, the temperature in northern Arizona is about 20 degrees cooler on average, making parks and hiking more bearable. It's definitely a great place to visit when temperatures start heating up. Number 5. Ice cream and shaved ice stations are a great way to cool off, and the kids obviously have no objections. Number 4. Splash pads in Arizona are free admission, and the kids have a great time running around all day to wear themselves out. Number 3. Museums and art centers. Stay inside and enjoy history and art at a cool temperature. Number 2. Water holes. Arizona's beauty at its finest. The water in these shaded areas is extra cool, making it a great experience the whole day. Number 1. Water parks. This is our favorite thing to do during the summer. We always have a blast and it keeps us cool all day long. Thanks for watching. Stay hydrated, like and subscribe.